with golden hair, dreams and wonders everywhere. With freckles bright and wide blue eyes, he views the world in grand disguise. Oh, Luca, what did you see? A dancing cloud or a trembling tree? Did the stars fall down just to shine for free? Oh, Luca, what did you see? He runs through fields in boots too big, chasing shadows under the fig, with a grin so pure like morning dew. The world's a treasure, every step is new. Oh, Luca, what did you see? A whispering brook or a wild honeybee? Did the sky turn pink just to make you glee? Oh, Luca, what did you see?